Hey everyone, it's Steph. I'm about to do a Re-ment unboxing. This is British Tea Time. We have a couple of the boxes from here already. We have this one here, and on the other side we have the bottom one as well. I think. No, sorry, the top one, this one here. So I'm about to open this one and see which one we've got now. So I'm going to turn you down a little bit so you can see where we are. I've just got a few things in the way here which shouldn't be there. Okay. Let's have a look what we have. Oh, cute. It's this one. It's the cupcake one. And the sandwiches. This is the high tea one. So what have we got here? Napkins. I do believe these are napkins on here. I'm just going to cut all the way down here, so then I don't have to worry about that. And then we put it together. I'm not sure how we put it together though. Let's have a look. Oh, I think, which one is this? Let's have a look. Okay, that bit I think goes that way. I'm not sure how this one goes together, to be honest. I know that this bit goes on the top like that. Oh, that way. Okay. And this bit goes in. Let's move the box out of the way so you can see what I'm doing. And then this bit goes on the top like this. So we have a cake stand. It can be a little bit fragile to put together. There we go, we have a cake stand. We have a couple of cakes, and let's put that one there. Oops. There's one of the cakes. I'm going to put him there. We have a pink cupcake holder as well. See? I'm going to put that on the top there. So we've got a couple of pretty cute cupcakes there. And we have some sandwiches, yummy sandwiches. Where shall I put these? I'm going to put them at the bottom. Do you want to have a look? There we go. Nice cute sandwiches. I'm going to put them, oh, the other one's got something different in it. It's got cucumber. So there we go. I've got some cute sandwiches on there. There we go. And what have we got in here? Oh, we have a cute little plate that you can put your cupcake on. Yum, yum, yum. There we go. And then we put, oh, you know what? I don't like using my hands to pick things up. We have some sandwich clip holders. So we go along, and if my fingers weren't so big, let's put this on the plate. There we go. So we have a sandwich. Oh, I love this tea time set. I really do. So that was the Re-ment British Tea Time, and we have the high tea set with 2 sandwiches, tongs, and a couple of cupcakes. I'll zoom you in a little bit so you can actually see it. Oops. Can you see that? There we go. So that was the British Re-ment high tea. Hope you enjoy my videos. Speak to you soon. Bye bye.